Let's begin with a fact. Not a belief, not a metaphor, a fact. You are alive because of a transaction that happens 20,000 times a day. Air enters your lungs. Oxygen crosses into your blood. Your heart pushes it through your body. It fuels every cell, every synapse, every second of your existence. Then you exhale. You return carbon to the atmosphere. That's breath. But that's not all breath is. It's not just function. It's not just biology. It's relationship. It's connection. It's communion. Because what's happening when you breathe is not just internal. It's systemic. The oxygen in your lungs was exhaled by trees, grasses, plankton. The carbon you release is absorbed by plants, filtered by fungi, dissolved by oceans. You are not separate from the earth. You are participating in its metabolic cycle in real time, continuously. This is not a poetic idea. This is chemistry, physics, ecology. You are woven into the respiratory rhythm of the planet. This is what scientific animism means when it speaks of the Lifestream. The Lifestream isn't a myth. It's not a symbol. It's the continuous flow of energy and matter that sustains life. The sun fires photons across space. Plants capture them through photosynthesis. Those sugars become biomass. That biomass becomes oxygen. That oxygen becomes breath. And that breath becomes thought, movement, emotion, consciousness. You are made of that stream, and breath is the process that keeps you connected to it. There is no soul descending from the heavens. There is no divine spark trapped in flesh. There is only the life stream moving through you, animating matter with energy. The thing we call spirit is the experience of energy in motion, and that motion begins and ends with breath. From the moment you're born, the first gasp to the final exhale when life leaves your body, breath is the boundary between what lives and what no longer does. And yet, somehow, we forget this. We treat air like background noise. We treat breath like something automatic. We forget that this is the most direct interface we have with the earth. You don't eat 20,000 times a day. You don't sleep 20,000 times a day, but you breathe over and over and over with no breaks, no exceptions. The entire time you are cycling with the biosphere. Now consider this. When people use breath intentionally, when they slow it, deepen it, intensify it through holotropic breath work or conscious control, something happens, not something magical, something biological. Brain patterns change, the ego relaxes, the sense of self loosens, the nervous system drops out of default mode, and people begin to feel, not imagine, but feel that they are part of something larger than themselves. That's not hallucination. That's feedback. That's the nervous system encountering reality without its usual filters. Scientific animism doesn't reject that experience. It honors it. But it doesn't explain it away with superstition. It roots it in the system. Because the truth is, your breath is not yours. You don't own it. You're borrowing it. Every inhale is a gift from the living world. Every exhale is your contribution to it. This is not metaphor. This is carbon exchange. This is the nitrogen cycle. This is respiratory biology and atmospheric chemistry. You are embedded in the system. The life stream is not a story. It is the structure of life on Earth. And when you breathe with awareness, when you feel the life stream moving through you, that is not spirituality in the traditional sense. That is alignment. That is participation. That is reality made conscious. This is the theology of the real. No gods, no masters, just life, aware of itself. Scientific animism teaches that nothing is sacred unless it is real. And breath is as real as it gets. You don't need to imagine divinity. You are already in communion every second, every inhale. You don't need to pray. You are already connected. You don't need to seek a higher truth. You're already part of one. The earth is alive. The Lifestream is real. And the breath is how you know it. So don't ask what you believe. Ask what you participate in. Ask what you nourish. Ask what nourishes you. And then breathe. Because the breath is the Lifestream. And the Lifestream is life itself.